Sinef is a doctor and doesn't wear a lot of makeup during the day. In the evening, she likes to show a more feminine side. A combination of warm brown and pink shades accentuates Sinef's classical natural type and at the same time adds a touch of glamour to her appearance. First, moisture. A regular day cream is the best basis for all types of makeup. The perfect concealer colour is a must. If none of the products match 100%, simply mix a lighter and darker shade together. This is best done directly on the skin. We conceal small blemishes by first generously applying dots of concealer and using either a small sponge or your fingers to work it into the skin. Sinef has beautiful skin with fine pores. We don't need to apply liquid foundation and can immediately continue with powder. To demonstrate the effect of the powder and what happens to the skin texture, we'll first only apply the powder to one side of the face. First with a large brush, and then we'll touch up the details with a smaller brush. Since Sinef's eyes will be the focus of our makeup, we add some more powder around that area. So that the eyeshadow sticks better, the skin should be very dry and especially grease-free. Apply one more thick layer of powder to the bottom lid to keep the area free of specks of eyeshadow. Shape the brows with a brush and continue with the eye makeup. Pearlescent, shimmering highlights below the brow immediately add sparkle to the eyes. Below that, we apply a warm shade of pink with gold shimmer to the inner half of the flexible eyelid. A dark brown applied to the outer half makes for a beautiful contrast to the pink colour and creates a kind of cat's eye effect. Applying the same eyeshadow to the crease of the lid will enhance the contour of the eye, making it appear larger and rounder. Using the same brown, we outline the eye and draw a soft line underneath the lash line. Then blend the colour edges together using a clean brush. Finally, remove the residual powder under the eye and spread the remainder over the skin. The lashes. Curling the lashes upwards using an eyelash curler is very effective. It gives the entire face a more awake, lively appearance. Of course, applying mascara will enhance the effect even more. Apply mascara by brushing the lashes from the roots downwards and move the applicator brush lightly from left to right and back. That way the colour is spread evenly. Use a small comb to separate the lashes. Now apply mascara to the top eyelashes. Then separate the lashes again. Outlining the eye with black kajal along the inner rim of the eyelid gives the eye a rigid, more defined and more sultry look. This is especially noticeable when you compare it to the other eye, to which neither kajal nor mascara has been applied. We will of course take care of that now. First the eyelash curler, then apply mascara. Separate the lashes and apply kajal at the end. The cheeks. For contouring, we use a pink beige shade, which we streak with a large brush from below the cheekbone upwards towards the temple. Then we use a wide brush to apply a peachy shade of brown with a glamorous gold shimmer around the top area of the cheekbone. A touch of this blush dusted over the eyes will give the face a harmonious finish. Apply a warm rose pink to the lips, then use a lip liner and gloss to make them fuller. Done. For Sinef's going out makeup, we accentuated the eyes. Dark kajal in the inner rim of the eyes leaves a sultry look. Shimmering eyeshadow in shades of brown and pink adds a touch of glamour to the eye area. This is very elegant and feminine makeup, which goes well with Sinef's natural type.